Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this videos, I am going to talk about my recent project that I have developed a new feature for Shopify. Dynamic product slider carousel with auto scroll, also including hover effect. And now I want to share this full project with you, what I have done for my client and what is the actual look of this picture. Okay, so let's get started. This project actually I have got from Fiverr, the freelancing marketplace. So look at my screen right now. You can see that I have added animate carousel slider with auto scroll, and also I have added hover effect so that when I hover, the scrolling stop and the title appear here, and when I move my mouse, that's called hover out, it's again auto scrolling. Okay, also there are no white space or blank space of this carousel. Now I want to share the customization picture or backend picture of this carousel, how you can update or manage this carousel without any coding skill. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel, and you can see that there is a section named product slider. This is the product slider, and here the option add new product. So when I click on the add new product, we can add product image, product headline, product link. So you no need any code for update this section. Also you can update current product. Looks here, just change the product, add new titles, add product link. So it's super easy. So I hope you like this picture and you will like to add this picture on your Shopify theme. Also, even if you want any new picture or anything on your Shopify theme, you can contact with me. I'm working as a Shopify expert and WordPress developer, also technical SEO and on-page SEOs. So if you need any services relevant to my skill, you can hire me at Fiverr. This is my Fiverr profile, and I will share my Fiverr profile account in the video description. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this picture is nice and you like this one, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, my name is Nate Gallaudet. I'm the owner of Bacon Blend, and I worked with Foysal on building my Shopify store. He did excellent work. I highly recommend you working with Foysal. He will get everything you need done in a timely fashion, and he's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure he does everything correctly. Again, I highly recommend working with Foysal on all your Shopify needs, as well as WordPress. He is a master at WordPress and Shopify.